leaking right out of this valve here, so it's a Watts. I should be able to change that easy enough. I'm gonna shut the water off of that. It was good to check the hoses. There's no problems with the hoses. The hoses look okay. I'm gonna change this valve. This is a Watts. I worked at this house before. The things are shut off here somewhere. Here we go. There's the water main coming in. You see it? Is it too dark? The valve's right there. Shuts the house off. There's a sink down here. We'll open it and let the water come down here, so I can work on it upstairs. There's two kinds of valves that I use. Watts and the Simmons. There's the Watts right here. Got the Watts and then the Simmons. That's another common one up my way. I need a bigger boat, Mama. There's the Simmons. There's the other. But them other two I stock in the truck. Hello. Are you watching the truck? Oh, I know you are. I know it. Just don't last. I mean, it's just how it is.
I remember you saying to me, make sure after you wash that you turn
Either that or put no burst hoses on here. These aren't no burst. I checked them, they're still good, but you should change the hoses every so many years. As long as you shut it off, you'll be alright with this type of hose.
Yeah, I do. I'm very conscious
Yeah,
of that.
it's a good idea to shut them off because you don't want to flood.
You're the one that told me.
Yeah, you don't want to flood, especially when you're out walking or something and you come home and you got a garden hose running in the house here.
Now, as long as you're here, the other thing I was going to ask you, you don't have to do it today, but should you be looking at this furnace?
I can look at it while I'm here. We'll check it, make sure that the burners are clean and whatnot,
Okay, because I don't want you to take extra time unless you've got it.
No, it's not a big deal. We'll check it.
Okay. I forgot to say that when I called you, because you hadn't been here for a while for that. Quite a while, as a matter of fact. I think it was 2011, does it say? So you bring a camera with you?
I do.
That's pretty good. That's good. Knocked it off. That's a good idea.
Well, in case there's a problem in the future, I got a record of it,
Yeah, yeah.
You're leaking right out of there.
I said to my neighbor, I told him to go through the garage and it didn't dawn on me that the door was unlocked. And getting old.
Yeah, it happens to all of us. If you're lucky to make it, right?
Yep. I figure I've gone past a lot of people, so it's a good thing. Including my husband. God rest his soul.
Yeah, that was kind of sad. I mean, he was in good shape and all that, right?
He was, yeah. Played golf. Even though he had bad lungs, he played golf. But anyway. There's no guarantees in life.
No, ain't that the truth, huh? Two guarantees: you're gonna die and pay taxes. That's what my father always said.
I was in the
My father said there's only two things that are guaranteed in life. You're going to die and pay taxes.
That's correct.
That's what he used to tell me.
It's very true.
And he's gone,
Yeah.
and he paid a lot of taxes.
I certainly have. And I continue to do that. It's very annoying that when you reach 71, you have to take money out of your savings and pay taxes again on it. That really annoys me.
Yeah, after you already paid him, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's kind of odd.
Yeah, when you turn 71, you have to do an annual distribution.
What the hell? What do you mean by that?
You know, if you have any money in like an IRA or something that you've been putting away.
Oh, they want the tax.
They make you take it out, take a percentage of it, not all of it, but a percentage of it.
Maybe now with the new tax law they changed that.
Maybe, I don't know. No, because I'm doing one this year, so.
I think things are going to go into effect in February, I think, this month, right?
Yeah. But you have to be 71, so you've got a ways to go.
Yeah, I'm not there yet. A couple of more years. Alright, we'll try that and see if it leaks.
You've been busy?
Yeah.
Too much?
No,
No?
just about right. Too busy means stress.
Well, that's true. That's true. The water turned off. What's the matter with me? I was just going to wash my hands on it.
Yeah, I'm going to turn it on right now. But
No, that's all right.
if you want to stay right here, I'm going to turn it on if I... See if she screams, I'll shut the water back off. It's good to have someone to watch up there. It's always good to open it slowly. I haven't heard her. I hear no screaming. Yeah, so I did inspect your hoses. They looked okay.
Okay.
But it's good to shut that off when you're not using
I
it.
always shut it off.
Yeah, okay. You're all set then.